going to show you how you can make some dollars for yourself by simply uploading images. And when I talk about images, I mean graphic images, things like logo, banner, and website interface, or any of those digital graphics that you can actually use to do anything online. And there are lots of websites out there that gives you opportunity to upload these images and make money off of it. And I'm going to share with you this website. I'm also going to share with you how you can upload these pictures to be able to make money. Also, I'm going to show you how to create these pictures if you don't have any graphic skill or know how to design anything, because right now with AI everything has been made so easy. So make sure to stick around and watch this video to the very end. So the first website is called Design Crowd. As you can see here, they make a lot of things, including business cards, posters, flyers, letterheads, menu, email signature, Instagram posts, Facebook cover, YouTube banners, anything at all. And as a freelancer, you get paid to do whatever you love. You find clients and build a successful freelance career when you join their global community. They've paid over $71 million to graphic designers so far they started. And like they have over 267 open freelance graphic design jobs from clients around the world. How it works is you sign up for free and you browse design jobs, you submit your design, and then you get paid. You earn by winning design contests and receiving participation payments. Now, this is the companies that have trusted their designers. They've worked with a lot of companies. You see Absolute Vodka, HTC, Microsoft, UNICEF, Amnesty International, Spotify, Virgin. They have worked with a lot of reputable companies that give them design jobs, and then they have their freelancers that do the job. So if you're a freelance designer, you can actually find jobs here, and to get registered with them, you just register here. You fill in this information, and of course, you are a designer, you have to click I'm a designer here and then complete the remaining registration process. And if you want to see where the jobs are, you click here where it says view 267 open design jobs. Once you click, now you're going to be seeing tons of design jobs that are available. Now these ones are open, and as you can see, the price for this one is $150, and the time frame for you to submit or upload your logo is 6 days left. They've already received 83 designs so far from over 44 designers. So you can see every information you need about this job is stated here. This one is 300 Canadian dollars, and this one is $101. So the prices differ depending on what is expected of you. So assuming you want to design this one, you can tap here. It has opened, it's saying it has 6 days left. No design has been submitted for this one yet, and no designers have already submitted. So this one, the project deadline is 24th of November, and here are the descriptions. You have to read through the description so that you know where to get started. And these are the colors that it entails you to use to design the logo, and these are the look and feel they have. So the description, everything has been given to you to use to put something together and submit so that you stand a chance of winning this money, because this is a contest. The second website is called Logo My Way. This is a place where businesses come to sort out anything that has to do with their logos, and they see people that can design anything they have in mind, provided they've given the description. As you can see, these are samples of work people have already done in the past on this website. So if you want to see available work here, you can click here where it says Logo Contest. And as you can see, the said logo contest is you simply fill out contest brief describing your businesses, and they have over 40,000 and picked logo designers ready to work on your new logo. So as you can see, the rating is 4.9, which is a very good one. So here are the available design jobs that you can do, and here are the prices. This one is $450 to work on. This one is $750 to work on. And this one is $600. This one is a private logo, so you can't access the private logo contest. So there are lots of them here, $350. So you can see the money is quite big. And for this one that says Turkey Creek Coffee Company, once you click here, it has opened. The price is $450. They have 243 entries, and the number of days or time left is 4 hours 19 minutes. So here is Turkey Creek Coffee Company. They don't have any slogan. This is what they do: coffee and tea shop, and things to communicate through their logo. Everything you need is here. So all you have to do is just to make sure you have all these things in mind, and then you put in your design, you start making your design about whatever they have given you here. And once you're done, you click here to submit. And if you must submit, you must create an account with them, first before you're able to submit. So the last website is called 99 Designs. Now, this is a place where you can earn in two ways. The way it works is you can work directly with clients and they pay you, or you can compete with the community, like when there is design contests like we saw on the other websites. These are the companies that have trusted them with their work, and they've been working with them to show you that It's quite a great way of making money online, and they have a lot of people that have already signed up to them that are working with them, and you can join and you can set your own price. That is the best part. If you're working one-on-one with a client and then you match with clients who fits your style, you get paid upfront. You see, you have to get paid upfront if you're working directly with a client, and then simplify management and communication too, and the payment is secure. Now, if you're joining the contest, you choose work that inspires you. You work with global businesses, you build your professional design portfolio, explore new design categories, and build skills. And of course, all this will help you out by the time you keep designing and can win the contest and win the prizes that are available. And for this website, to find design contest, assuming you want to join the contest, you click here, it says design contest. And then you can see a lot of contests here that are available. And some of them are finished already, like the contests are finished, they are done with submitting designs. As you can see, 89 designs were submitted for this, 17 designs, and the numbers are just stated here. So if you want to know more, you can click this. You can see their prizes. Their prizes are there. So this one is about this particular contest. I think they are done with this particular one. And you can see this particular contest costs 490 Canadian dollars. This one is 429 US dollars. This one is 299 US dollars. This contest has, this one is 899 US dollars. That is really cool. And it's received 292 designs. So as you can see, the bigger the money, the more designs people submit to this website. And you have to be fast if you're going to be using them. Like you have to be checking for updates. You can filter them here for the newest ones so that you know which one to use to get started. And if you're able to win any of these contests, that is a very big money. So as you can see, the monies that are allocated for this contest are very big. So far, the least I have seen is around $50, and which is not bad. So if you put in the effort and then join the contest, hopefully you may win this contest and you get the bulk of the money. So I think it's a very cool way. Now back to how to create these logos, even if you don't have designing skills. I'm going to mention some websites where you can go, and I'm going to show you how to use them so that you know how to like go around using them to design your own logo. And if you're very good, you can use softwares like Corel Draw to make your design. You can also use Canva to make your design. So, but I'm going to show you two different websites where you can actually use AI to make your design and see how it turns out in the end. But before I do that, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate you. So the first website is called Free Logo Design. This is a place where you can make logos and it is all for free. You don't need to pay anything. Now, it is quite user friendly, as you can see from the description, and there are other things you can use it to do, like business cards. Assuming you want to create a logo, let's say we go back here and look for one. Let's say we try this one, says Turkey Creek Coffee Company. We're going to click it, and once this has opened, it says name of logo is Turkey Creek Company, and they don't have any slogan. The designs will be used on web, print media, billboards and sign, mugs and t-shirts. So now that we have an idea about what they want, we are going to use that to make our design. So I'm going to copy this, then we're going to go to Free Logo Maker and we're going to paste it there. We're going to click Get Started. It has created something. What we are going to do now is just to go through this and see what is close to what they asked for in the design so that we can further make our own adjustments. So I saw one that looks close to what we are actually looking for. I'm going to make a little bit of adjustments to this so that it makes some sense. So we are done creating something like this, and it really looks cool. It incorporated everything that I saw there. So I'm going to just download it here. For the second design, we're going to be using Adobe Express. This is another place where you can design free logos. So, but to do this, they're asking for some information. So we're going to copy it from where we got it from. So this one says what we do. Here, I'm going to copy this. You already know the industry is a restaurant. So we're going to go back to Adobe Express and we're going to paste here. They don't have any slogan. So we're going to click next. You can choose modern. And then I'm going to click next. Let's choose something like this. Then we're going to click next. As you can see, it has designed lots of logo, like it has brought out lots of logo designs that we can choose from. So I think I love this. So if you want, you can take this and start customizing it here. Maybe add, remove, or do whatever you want to do here. And once that is done, you download your logo and you're good. So this is how you can use this website to create logos all completely for free. And like I mentioned earlier, if you're not comfortable with the designs these websites are giving you, you can go to Canva and get something from Canva. Or if you're good with design, you can use Corel Draw to create something from scratch for yourself and use it and hopefully you get to win the contest, or you get to get a client from any of the websites depending on the one you registered with, and then you start earning some money immediately. Usually the payments are made through PayPal or any other means that may be communicated to you, so that you know how to receive your payment if you're lucky enough to win the contest, or if you're able to get a client that asks you to do a job for them, so that you can start earning money fast. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how to make money online. And if you're looking for other ways you can make money, especially selling already made digital products, you may want to check out this video, and also check out other videos on my channel about the ones I've tried, so that you know how to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.